Welcome to Copacabana Beach Jomtien, the ultimate luxury living experience in Pattaya. As you step into our lush recreational area at the bottom, you'll be greeted by an oasis of tranquility, and the lavishness of this condominium becomes immediately apparent. We is excited to introduce you to our towering 59-floor condominium, an array of luxurious apartment options ranging from 29 to 80 square meters. In recreational area, you'll be greeted by a beautiful fountain and cozy gazebos area where you can unwind. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. The great addition of Copacabana Beach Condominium is the beautiful swimming pool that invites you to take a dip and soak in the tropical vibe of Jomtien, Pattaya. Lounge in the shade of our gazebos, take a refreshing swim in our breathtaking pool, or enjoy a refreshing drink at our bar. Welcome to Copacabana Beach Jomtien's luxurious lounge area. Immerse yourself in the ultimate indulgence as you unwind by the poolside bar. This is the ultimate paradise in Pattaya. Come and experience it for yourself. Escape to a world of relaxation and rejuvenation at Copacabana Beach Jomtien. Indulge in the ultimate pampering experience at our hammam and sauna. Let the soothing steam and warm atmosphere melt away your stress and leave you feeling refreshed and revitalized. Located just steps away from the pool, our lounge area is the perfect place to unwind and enjoy the good life, with cozy gazebos, an area for board games, and plush sun loungers. Experience the perfect blend of luxury and productivity at Copacabana Beach. Our first floor is not only a place to unwind, but also a sanctuary where you can focus on your work. Host your business meetings in style and comfort in our spacious negotiation hall, complete with all the necessary amenities. This is where productivity meets relaxation, and every moment feels like a dream come true. And when it's time to take a break, our elegant bar is just steps away, ensuring you're always catered to with your favorite drinks. And we offer fast access via 11 multiple high-speed elevators, ensuring maximum convenience for our residents. Our parking area spans 5 floors. Keep your body and mind healthy with our fully equipped fitness center on the 4th floor, complete with the latest equipment. Get ready to elevate your fitness routine to new heights at Copacabana Beach Jomtien. Located on the 4th floor, our world-class fitness center offers top-of-the-line equipment, and a breathtaking view of the pool, the vibrant night market, and the stunning Jomtien Beach. Sweat it out as you take in the vibrant energy of the city below, and feel your body and mind come alive with each pulse-pounding workout. At Copacabana Beach Jomtien, we believe that luxury living means taking care of your mind, body, and soul. And now we will go to the 30th floor. As you step onto the 30th floor, you'll feel like you've entered a world of pure indulgence. Take in the stunning panoramic views of the city as you unwind in our world-class sauna, complete with top-of-the-line facilities to soothe your mind and body. Sauna is the perfect place to unwind and rejuvenate after a long day. The perfect place to relax and rejuvenate after a long day, our pool and sauna will leave you feeling revitalized and refreshed. If you prefer to cool off, take a refreshing dip in our crystal clear swimming pool, with an incredible bird's eye view of the city below. And now we will go to the 40th floor. As you step onto the 40th floor of Copacabana Beach Jomtien, you'll be blown away by the breathtaking panoramic views of Pattaya. But that's not all. This floor is also home to a luxurious lounge area, complete with cozy gazebos and a crystal clear swimming pool that seems to merge seamlessly with the horizon. Relax in style and comfort as you take in the magnificent vistas that surround you, or take a dip in the pool and feel like you're floating on a cloud. Whether you want to soak up the sun, read a book in cool shade, or simply enjoy the view, the lounge area is the perfect place to do it. Panorama of the 40th floor offers us an ideally beautiful view of Pattaya. Come and discover the ultimate in luxury living, where every moment is designed to take your breath away. Take your relaxation to the next level with our beautiful pool. Whether you're looking to unwind after a long day or to spend quality time with loved ones, the 40th floor at Copacabana Beach Jomtien is the perfect destination. And in the meantime, we are going to the very top of Copacabana Beach, moving to the 59th floor. Get ready for the ultimate luxury experience with our 59th floor pool. With an unbeatable 180 degrees view of the Gulf of Thailand, nearby islands, and Pattaya, you'll feel like you're on top of the world. Indulge in the pool and take in the stunning scenery. It's an experience you'll never forget. Now we will represent to your attention 2 bedrooms 72 square meters on the 19th floor. As you step into this lavish apartment, you'll immediately feel the luxuriousness that surrounds you. The modern kitchen is fully equipped with everything you need to prepare a gourmet meal, and the dining area is perfect for entertaining guests. The tastefully designed interior exudes an air of elegance and sophistication. Indulge in the ultimate luxury living experience at Copacabana Beach Jomtien with our spectacular 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment spanning over 72 square meters. With every inch designed to perfection, this apartment boasts lavish furnishings, elegant decor, with every detail carefully thought out to ensure your utmost comfort and satisfaction. The apartment is fully furnished, from the plush sofas in the living room to the comfortable beds in the spacious bedrooms. Probably, before you buy a luxury property, you would like to try to live here first. It's possible. You can rent this apartment. The highlight of this apartment is undoubtedly the large balcony that offers breathtaking views of the Gulf of Thailand and the nearby islands. Step out onto your private balcony and bask in the panoramic views of the Gulf of Thailand and its breathtaking surroundings. With tasteful decor and high-end furnishings, you'll feel right at home in this exclusive residence. And with the unparalleled views from your private balcony, you'll never want to leave this oasis of luxury and tranquility. Watch the sun slowly rise and set, casting warm hues across the sky and water, and feel the gentle ocean breeze as you relax in your own personal sanctuary. Whether you're enjoying a morning coffee or a nightcap under the stars, this spacious balcony is the perfect place to unwind and soak in the beauty of Pattaya. This balcony is the perfect complement to the luxurious interior of your 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment. This apartment is the perfect choice for those who crave space, style, and breathtaking ocean views. You'll be able to enjoy all the luxurious amenities that Copacabana Beach Jomtien has to offer, including access to 4 swimming pools, saunas, and a fitness room. Whether you're looking for a vacation home or a permanent residence, this apartment is the epitome of luxury living. With its prime location, stunning views, and unparalleled amenities, you'll never want to leave this magnificent abode. So come and experience the ultimate in luxury living at Copacabana Beach Jomtien. Your dream home awaits. At the end of our tour, we will see the 80 square meters apartment with 1 bedroom and private pool. As you step into our luxurious 80 square meter 1-bedroom apartment, you'll immediately be captivated by the tasteful decor and attention to detail. The open-plan kitchen is fully equipped with modern appliances and features a sleek design that perfectly complements the overall aesthetic of the apartment. Cooking in this space is a joy, and you'll appreciate the convenience and functionality of the kitchen as you prepare meals. As you make your way to the bedroom, you'll be struck by the sheer size of the room. With plenty of space to move around, you'll never feel cramped or claustrophobic in this apartment. Probably, before you buy a luxury property, you would like to try to live here first. It's possible. You can rent this apartment. But perhaps the most stunning feature of this apartment is the private pool that's just outside the bedroom. Imagine taking a dip in your own private oasis while admiring the spectacular view of the city. It's a truly unique and unforgettable experience that you won't find anywhere else. In summary, our 80 square meter one-bedroom apartment with a private pool is the ultimate choice for those seeking luxury and privacy. With stunning views, tasteful decor, and a private pool, it's a unique and unforgettable experience that you won't find anywhere else. Also, you can watch our video of Copacabana Beach Jomtien video review of apartments 29, 35, and 64 square meters. Link will be in the description. Please make like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.